Okay, so when you have two polynomials, and you're trying to multiply them together, I've taught the rest of them how to do it using a Punnett square. Okay, so you're gonna take this first term here, you're gonna say x plus 3, then take the second term, put it down the side, x plus 4. Make sure you keep the signs with the thing that comes behind it, because that tells you whether that number is positive or negative. And then you multiply. So x times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 3 is 12. And then you combine your like terms, which is always going to be on the diagonal. That's 7x. Then you just add the other things. X squared plus 7x plus 12. And you can't simplify it anymore because the variables are not the same. This is the first one here is x squared, and this one is just x. So you can't do anything else. And then the 12 doesn't have a variable, so you can't do anything else with that. Let's try another one. We have x plus 2, x minus 3. There are 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need 4 boxes. And x plus 2, x minus 3. And again, you're going to just multiply like you would in a multiplication table. X times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Again, you're going to combine your like terms across the diagonal, and everything else you write down. So it's x, negative 3x plus 2x. This is x squared, I'm sorry. Negative 3x plus 2x is negative x minus 6. And that is your answer. So let's see what happens when you have more than 4 terms. X plus, 3. Okay. So you count how many terms you have, and that again will tell you how many boxes you need. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you need 3 across. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. So this is x squared plus 2x plus 1, x plus 3. And again, you're going to multiply just like a multiplication table. X times x to the second is x to the third. X times 2x is 2x squared. X times 1 is x. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3x times 2x is 6x. 3 times 1 is 3. And this time you just have to go across the diagonal more than once. And you're going to combine your like terms. First, there's only one x to the third term, so you write that down, x to the third. 3x squared and 2x squared is 5x squared. 6x and x is 7x plus 3. And that's your answer. That's your answer. And I hope that helps. All right. I'll send this on. If you need more help, let me know.